Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Chutneys for tiffins like idlis and dosas are very common. But today I'm going to show you a thick chutney recipe that goes very well with rice, fulka as well as all the tiffins. This is a spicy coriander chutney. In Tamil it is called Kothamalli Thogayal. It's very wholesome and flavorful. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I have all the ingredients required to make the spicy coriander chutney here. Take a white pan and heat it. Add about 4 teaspoons of sesame oil to this. Now add about 3 tablespoons of Chana Dal, 3 tablespoons Urad Dal and roast nicely. Roast them until they turn to a nice golden brown color. Once the dals are roasted, add about 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Keep the flame on low and roast the ingredients, otherwise they can get burnt easily. Next, add about 10 red chillies to the pan. 10 red chillies are good for this recipe, but you can adjust the number according to your taste. I'm also adding about 4 green chillies here. As the name suggests, this chutney is going to be really spicy. After you roast the chillies for about 1 minute, add 15 garlic cloves. I'm also adding about 1 cup of fresh coconut bits. I chopped the coconut into these small size bits because they will be easier to grind. Now gently mix everything. Keep the flame on medium and saute the ingredients for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm adding 4 to 5 bits of tamarind. This will add a bit of tanginess to the chutney, which makes it even more flavorful. And tamarind also acts as a preservative. Now you can refrigerate this chutney for about a week and enjoy. This chutney comes in handy for rice whenever you don't have enough time to make curries or any other side dish. Now I'm adding 2 big bunches of fresh coriander leaves. I have washed them nicely and removed the roots. You can add the leaves along with the stalks. To be frank, the stalks add a really nice flavor and they also benefit your health. I'm adding the leaves directly here, but you can also chop them into smaller bits. Keep the flame on low and gently mix the coriander leaves along with the dals. Once the leaves shrink, add 1 teaspoon rock salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Mix it all well again. At this point, add 1/4 teaspoon of Hing, that is Asafoetida powder. This also adds up to the taste. Transfer the ingredients to a plate and cool them down completely. You don't want to cook the leaves for too long. This way you can preserve the nutritional values in them. Once they are cooled down, transfer them to a mixer jar and grind without adding any water. Now add very little water and grind because this has to be very thick. Keep removing the edges with the help of a spoon so it will be easier to grind. After grinding it nicely, the chutney will be thick like this. If you have ever heard of gatti chutney, it will be similar to this consistency. And this is how we want the thogayal to be. I checked for seasoning and it is perfect, so I'm transferring the chutney to a bowl. Now I'm going to add some tempering to this chutney. Take a tempering pan and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add half teaspoon Urad Dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds, add 1 roughly cut up red chilli and about 1/4 teaspoon of Hing. Lastly, turn off the heat, add some fresh curry leaves, saute for a few seconds. Now that the tempering is ready, transfer it to the chutney. There you go, our Kothamalli Thogayal, that is the spicy coriander chutney, is ready to be served with some nice hot steaming rice and ghee. You can also serve this chutney with idli or dosa if you don't have enough time to make the regular chutneys. This is tasty as well as healthy. I'll give you a couple of links to the other chutney recipes I've done earlier to check them out. Make sure you use fresh coriander leaves while making this recipe, and like I mentioned before, this will stay good in the refrigerator for up to a week. You can enjoy this with any tiffins of your choice. So do try the recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.